Hey there, welcome back. I'm Sally Morgan and I developed this contemporary vocal technique, Sing Like You Speak. And I want to go a little deeper into Sing Like You Speak and what it is, why I developed it. Well, after many years and many tens of thousands of dollars spent on voice lessons, I ended up with three major things going on with my voice that did not serve me or the music I wanted to communicate. Number one was I felt my voice was trapped. I could feel it right there, trapped inside of me. And I wanted so much to have the freedom to let that go. Number two, my voice was so inconsistent that I never knew what was going to come out of my mouth. Couldn't do that. Can you imagine the stage fright? You have no idea what's going to come out of your mouth. And I had to fix that. And the third thing was that I didn't feel that when I was singing, I was communicating with my audience. When I was speaking, joking around with my audience, yes, definite connection, communication. Other than that, I wasn't communicating with my audience. And so I set out to solve those three big issues with Sing Like You Speak. And I kept going back to, but it's natural. This instrument is completely natural and it is completely perfect. So what is the deal? How do I get this instrument to work as simply and naturally as when I'm speaking? So that's the technique that I developed. Now, when we speak in everyday conversation, we speak on pitch. Yeah, we speak on pitch. So when I see my best friend, it's hi. And when I see someone I'm not so thrilled to see, hi. Same word, vastly different pitches. But did I calculate that? Do I calculate that when I see my best friend to make sure that I hit the right pitch so she's not feeling bad that I might not want to see her? No, of course not. What happens is this perfect musical instrument that we're all born into does it for me. It communicates what I'm thinking and feeling. And that is why a producer would want you to sing like you speak. Because when you speak, your voice gives away what it is that you're thinking and feeling. And it responds pitch-wise and rhythmically, all sorts of ways to communicate that to whomever I'm speaking to. And that's exactly what we want with our singing, isn't it? Is to rely on this natural instrument to work beautifully the way it was built to work and to express what I'm thinking and feeling. Kiss me, kiss me, fingertips caress my brow. What I'm thinking and feeling. Now, I wouldn't sing that song, kiss me, kiss me. Where's another song I might sing that way? But when and this is something you can put into play right away, when I play that first chord, I'm thinking of someone I love. Kiss me, kiss me. I don't want to think of that person that I'd rather not see. Kiss me, kiss me. I want to think of the person that I truly love. That immediately changes my voice. It changes how I use my voice. It changes the brain to body connection. And we use this as the foundation for your singing. Here's another little tip. So if I'm going to do this phrase, kiss me, I can speak, kiss, kiss. See, I'm speaking on that pitch. Kiss me. And then I use that to then sing. I use that exact same approach. Kiss. Kiss me. And that keeps me in communication mode. It keeps me from going to kiss me, the singing place. It keeps me grounded in what this body does naturally. And you're going to continue learning lots more. I'll see you soon.